Hi, welcome to igcse and A-level chemistry channel. Hi, in this video we are going to discuss about chromatography. Chromatography is a method of separation of colored substance. Colored substance we can separate with help of chromatography. Okay, the main applications of chromatography helps to analyze protein, carbohydrate. Also it helps to check purity of food and drugs, etc. Okay, and here the basic terms used in chromatographic experiment: locating agent, chromatogram, and chromatographic paper. A special type of paper used in chromatographic experiment called chromatographic paper. Okay, the result obtained in chromatographic experiment called chromatogram. Clear? So we can go through this experiment. Look here, chromatographic experiment. See here, imagine you have a sample. For example, you have a drug. Okay, you want to analyze different type of chemicals present in this drug, okay, or medicine. So first we have to crush this drug into fine powder. Okay, then mix this fine powder with a suitable solvent, water or alcohol used as a solvent, okay, and shake well. Okay, then we have to take chromatographic paper. This is chromatographic paper. Okay, so here this length of chromatographic paper around 12 centimeter and width of chromatographic paper 5 centimeter, and bottom part of chromatographic paper we will draw a line with a pencil. Okay, and this line is called baseline. It is called a baseline. Here baseline is drawing with a pencil because pencil line do not dissolve in the solvent. Ink will dissolve. Pencil line do not dissolve in the solvent. That's why we use pencil to draw baseline. Clear? After that, here we inserted our sample into solvent and shake well. Okay, this is our sample now. From sample we will put a drop over here in baseline. Okay, then we have to conduct chromatographic experiment. This is same solvent. Okay, here water or ethanol. So water or ethanol is solvent, depends on the chemical we choose, water or ethanol. Okay, so we will take here solvent, water or ethanol. Then we will keep the chromatographic paper like this. Okay, here the baseline should be above the surface of solvent. Baseline should be above the surface of solvent. Clear? Baseline should be above the surface of solvent. And in the beginning I told you this is special type of paper. Okay, so that's why the solvent will be raised upward. The solvent move upward through the chromatographic paper. And this is our sample drug. It consists of different type of chemicals. Different chemicals have different solubility in solvent. Depends on the solubility, the chemicals will be separated. Most soluble chemical will be move upward, least soluble chemical will be move less. Okay, so this is the sample consists of many chemicals. Most soluble chemical will reach on the top, least soluble chemical will be move less distance. Finally we will take out this chromatographic paper and we will obtain the result. This result is called chromatogram. Okay, the result obtained by chromatographic experiment, that is chromatogram. Clear? This is the origin. Okay, and here the chemicals are moved upward according to their solubility. Okay, this is chromatogram. Next term you have to remember here, locating agent. Locating agent mean here the chemical the chemical which is sprayed on chromatogram to make the spot visible. These spots are not visible in all cases. Some case the spots are not visible. To make the spot visible, we had to spray some chemicals. Such type of chemicals are called a locating agent. Example for locating agent, ninhydrin. Ninhydrin is one locating agent in the analysis of protein. In the analysis of protein, the spots are not visible. To make the spot visible, we will add a locating agent called ninhydrin. Clear? So these are the different steps in the experiment. First, drug convert into fine powder, mix with a solvent, put one drop on the baseline, then keep the chromatographic paper in the solvent. The solvent will be moved upward. The most soluble chemical will be moved on the top. Least soluble will be less distance. Take out the chromatogram. Okay. And we discuss locating agent ninhydrin. Okay. Now we have another term in chromatography, R of value. R of value. R of value means retardation factor. Retardation factor. Look here. This is our chromatogram. Okay. These are the different spots formed. Okay. Here, imagine this is spot A, B, C. We want to find R of value for A, B, C. Here, to find R of value, the equation is distance between, this is baseline. This is baseline, and this line, I told you the solvent will move through the chromatographic paper till a particular level. Okay, this is the solvent level, and this is called solvent front baseline. Okay, so you want to find the R of value for this particle, this spot. Okay, so you have to find distance between baseline and solvent front. Imagine this is 10 centimeter and this is 2 centimeter. Okay, so here R of value for A is distance between baseline and spot formed. Distance between baseline and spot formed, that is 2, divided by distance between baseline and solvent front, is 10. 2 by 10. Clear? Use calculator and you will get R of value for A. R of value for B. Imagine this length is 4 centimeter. So R of value for B is 4 divided by 10. 4 divided by 10. Okay. Same. Imagine this distance 6 centimeter. Okay. So R of value 6 by 10. You will get R of value for each particles, each spot formed. Clear? Look here, based on this you have one question. You are given a chromatogram. This chromatogram consists of two origin. Okay, this is A, this is B. Here the question is, which one is pure substance? Pure substance. Which one is mixture? Pure substance is A because it consists of only one spot. Which is mixture? Mixture is B. Why it is mixture? Because it consists of two spots. Okay. So B, A is pure substance, B is mixture. Another question, Both A and B consist of how many similar pigment, how many similar spot. One similar spot, they are same level. One spot similar. Okay, so both A and B consist of one similar chemical. Clear? Thank you for watching this channel. Please subscribe and press the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.